Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of the One Motorhome. This is the channel where we try to find the perfect layout, the perfect design, and basically the perfect motorhome for you. As you guys are probably full aware, I've got lots of video demonstrations on my channel, but today I'm going to be demonstrating this absolutely fantastic Rapido. This one is called a Rapido 9094DF. Now the DF stands for the double floor, so if you're going abroad, skiing, things like that, then this one is absolutely perfect. As usual, we'll start the demonstration on the outside, having a good look around the storage and the different things we've got here. And then we'll go inside, have a proper look at the layout, go through all of the design and go through some of the extras it's got. If you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel, click the thumbs up, do leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, big thank you to Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury for actually letting me demonstrate their motorhome today. But let's get started on this one, shall we? Let's go. Starting off on the front, this one is obviously on a Fiat Ducato chassis. It's got a 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine. It's got around 27,000 miles on the clock and it's been very, very well looked after. It's absolutely gorgeous. Comes with alloy wheels. Obviously, it's got underfloor storage. And look at the design of this. It's fantastic, isn't it? Look at that. Really like the graphics going down the back there, I have to say. This is where you fill up your diesel. So you just fill it up as normal, as you would a normal vehicle. And this is the entry to the habitation. So this is actually the driver's door on this one. And as I mentioned, it is a left-hand drive, but we'll have a look closer in there later on. Just down here, let's have a look. So, look at this. Lots of storage underneath there. Then this one, let's have a look in here. This is where your heating system lives, and that's mainly just for maintenance. This is obviously where you plug into your electricity. And then just down below, let's have a look in here. Look at this. That actually goes all the way through and out the other side. So you've got plenty of storage under there. That could be for skis, barbecues, tables, chairs, all that sort of stuff. As I mentioned earlier, this vehicle looks absolutely fantastic. And although it looks big, it's not actually that big. I mean, around 2.3 metres by around 7.5 metres. So not massive, but wait till we go inside and have a look at the interior. I think you'll be absolutely wowed by that. At the moment, it's got all the carpets and things all wrapped up in here, but you can see there's also plenty of storage in here. So although we've got a rear lounge on this one, you still get the storage, which is a massive plus for this. On the back, we've got a bike rack, which will carry 2 bikes. And then if you have a look just at the top, just up here, there we go. We've got a reversing camera on there as well. And check out the design of the back. Really cool, isn't it? Very, very modern looking and sleek, I have to say. So this is the other side to the garage. So let's just open this up. And again, it's got all the carpets and things like that in there at the moment, but there's plenty of storage once those carpets have been removed. And then just round to my right hand side here, you can see there's a little LED light there and also an external shower. So if you wanted to wash off the dog or yourself or the bikes, things like that, then that is absolutely perfect. Now, just above my head here, you can see that LED light strip running all the way down the side of the awning, and that's a Thule canopy. So Thule are really known for the quality. It's really, well, most of the awnings these days are Thule or Fiamma, but this one's a Thule one with that great additional lighting underneath. And obviously that'll wind right out, so you've got a nice space to sit under there with your barbecue and all that sort of stuff. Just in here, this is the other side to the entrance that we were just looking at. So that goes all the way underneath the floor and out the other side. And then in here, this is your toilet cassette. So that literally just slides out and then you empty it and then clip it back into place. Just to close this habitation door just for a second, and just to point out that if you have a look just down here, the step is actually very low down. So there's no big jump up to get into this vehicle or anything like that. So that is a big plus for this. And then just down here, this is where your gas bottles live. Now, this one's got an upgraded system. So it's actually got the Gaslow system, which is a refillable Gaslow system. So basically you can go in to the petrol station and just fill this up with gas with the LPG That will save you a bit of money. And also, as you guys are probably aware, there's a slight bit of a shortage, should we say, with gas bottles. So that is perfect for both in the UK and abroad. But the big part of this van is in here. So let's go inside and have a proper look. So as we go into the habitation, the first thing that comes to mind is look at the interior in here. Look how smart, modern, flash this is. I mean, you'll be super excited to show your friends and family in here, wouldn't you? This is obviously a fly screen to stop the flies from getting inside. And then as we go up the steps, let's have a look as we turn around. Look at this for a living area. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people can easily sit around this table, no problem at all. All this kind of leatherette, which makes it look fantastic. And you've got this lovely table, which can be moved around in all these different directions. And actually, you can fold that over like this as well. So you've got space to obviously walk through. Both the seats in the front are captain seats, so they do both swivel around. And then, as I mentioned earlier, the cab is a Fiat Ducato, and it's actually an automatic gearbox on this one as well, which people tend to really like. And then you've got a nice stereo, cruise control, cab aircon, everything really that you need to get you going. Along the sides here, we have got blinds which cover these windows. And also we've got a privacy screen which goes down across the front. And again, on the left-hand side, privacy screens which go across here as well. So you can completely close that all off. Turning round a little bit just to show you from this way. Obviously, you've got 2 forward-facing seats, both with travelling seat belts. So if you were going to take friends with you, then that is perfect. And then moving around, let's have a look. Bit of cupboard space up on the top here. This is your control panel, so you can turn all the lights on, your pumps, everything like that within the vehicle. And this is for your heating system. So this heating system, you can obviously control really easily the temperature with this little button here. And let's see if this goes with gas or electric. Yep, gas or electric as well on this. So if you're on a campsite, you can use the electricity. And if you're free camping, you can use the gas. And obviously you've got 2 really nice sized gas bottles in this. This space just above the top is a big drop down double bed, which I'll show you in a second. But firstly, I'm just going to show you the kitchen area and also some of the storage here. So storage cupboards all the way along the top, really nice LED lighting and a ginormous skylight there. And that's got fly screens and blackout blinds on as well. Moving to the left a little bit, this is where the fridge and the freezer is. Now this is a 3-way fridge, so it'll work from gas, electric or the leisure battery, and same with the freezer as well. And then just up top, just above the fridge freezer, you've got this huge storage cupboard here for keeping all your bits and bobs. And then turning around again, let's have a look at the kitchen. So unusually for these Rapidos, this one actually comes with a really nice size oven, and you can fit a chicken in there, no problem at all, so you can make your Sunday roast. And then we've got these nice cupboards here, slide along, little bin in this one, and then big drawer space in here. And then that one's actually, let's have a look. Yeah, that's just a fake cupboard just to make it all look nice. But this little nozzle here, if you turn it, it actually locks these cupboards into place. So whilst you're traveling, they're not going to come flying open, which is always a plus. You don't want things flying around the place, do you? Just in here, obviously you've got your sink, and of course this will run hot and cold water. And then just here, we've got 3 gas burners, which gives you plenty of space for obviously preparing the food as well. So when these glass hatches are down, it's a lot of work surface here really, isn't there? Just above all of this, you've got an extractor fan, and then more cupboard space up on the top of that. So you're not going to be short for space in this kitchen. But then, here we go. Turning around, look at this. So you've got to remember, this vehicle is only 7.5 or roughly 7.5 meters in length. But look at this. Here we go. So firstly, just to show you, you can close the living area off completely by this. And obviously you've got a really nice mirror for getting ready and things like that there. Then as you go inside, Your shower is to the right hand side. So this is your shower. Look how cool and modern this looks. It's amazing, isn't it? And you've even got a little shelf here to sit down and have a shower if you wanted to, if you're feeling lazy. Up on the top, you've got a little line for hanging your towels and things. And of course, you've got a skylight there as well. Now moving around, let's have a look. Look at this. An L-shaped lounge in a motorhome. Look at that. That is fantastic. Comes with a little table here. It clips into place there, but if you want, you can move that out and move it around, so you can basically sit there, have a cup of tea or a glass of wine, champagne, whatever you might be doing, and then literally just tuck that away there. Up above this beautiful sofa, which I'm actually really tempted to just lie down, relax and have a little break, but above all of this, we've got these cupboards, so lots of cupboard space along the top, turning around, somewhere to hang your clothes, so your jumpers and things. And then in here, look at that. That is a huge hanging wardrobe. And sometimes people say to me, do you know what? I can't hang my long coats or my dresses and things, but that is fantastic. And then just up above that, another bit of cupboard space as well. Just to point out, actually, so let's show you. So I'm sat down on the L-shaped lounge. Look at that. You've got a TV point there where you can plug it all in. So obviously you could have your television on that little thing, and it's literally like being in your living room. Little bit of cupboard space underneath. And this area as well, just to point out, you can, see if I can show you. There we go. You can completely close it all off. So just to give you an image of that, look at that. So you can be chilling out in the living area, minding your own business, or if you've made it up as a double bed, which this area actually does, then you're laughing, aren't you? This basically pulls out across to here, and that whole area there is all a big double bed. And I'll give you the dimensions of that on the screen in a second, but that is a fantastic bed. Really, really is. It's gorgeous. Turning around a little bit more just to show you in here, this is where your toilet is. Of course, electric flush toilet, nice sink area, toothbrush holder. This is quite cool, actually. Check this out. Look, oh, if I can do it. There we go. So you can slide that across that side, or if you want things from the other side, oh, if I can do it. There we go. Just slide it back, and you've got all of these little tie points in here, so little elastic points to put your aftershave or your shower gel or whatever you might have in here. And you've even got a little towel rail holder there as well, which is fantastic. But yeah, guys, what do you think of this one? Amazing. Double floored, 4 berth, 4 travelling seats. Fantastic, fantastic motorhome. But yeah, let me know what you think. But let's give you a few of the extras on this vehicle, run through what this vehicle's actually got. So just to go through a few of these extras, guys, firstly, I want to show you this double bed, which actually drops down, which is a really nice size double, and actually how to do that. So first things first, fold these seats forwards like this, which is very easy. Then just underneath this flap here, little button, just click that out, which is basically a safety catch, and then pull it down, and there we go. Look at that. Really nice size double bed. You can leave that made up all the time. Of course, you've got curtains for privacy, and I will put the dimensions of this double bed on the screen for you as well. And if you can see just up on the top there, you've got a little ladder, if you like, to help you get into bed. If you're me, I literally just put my foot on there, hop up, and in bed I go. And of course, you've still got the living area at the back, or if you wanted to, if you didn't want to sleep in this one, you can make the back double bed up as well. So 4 berth, 4 travelling seats. Just pop that up for you, and then just fold these back like so, and then I'll take a seat, shall I? So, as we mentioned, Fiat Ducato 2.3 turbo diesel engine. This one is a left-hand drive and it is automatic. It's actually got a few extras, so it's got alloy wheels, awning, bike rack, cab air conditioning, cruise control, external shower point, refillable gas flow system, reversing camera, satellite navigation, and a solar panel. So it's got plenty of extras on this one. So guys, this has been another demonstration from the One Motorhome channel. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to click the thumbs up, do leave a comment below, and of course do subscribe. I've got lots of videos on the channel, so if you are looking for the perfect motorhome, then do check those out. But look at this, look how comfortable it is. I'll see you soon guys, take care.